स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः छात्राः सुप्रभातम्। अद्य वयं सप्तभगिन्यः इति पाठं पठन्तः स्मः। यत् वयं जानीमः अस्माकं भारतदेशस्य यद्यपि सत्सु सर्वेषु राज्येषु सप्तराज्यानाम् एकः समवायः अस्ति, तस्य समवायस्य अन्यत् एव नाम वर्तते। केन नाम्ना प्रसिद्धः? सत्यं, सम्यक् उक्तं भवता। सप्तभगिन्यः इति नाम्ना प्रसिद्धः अस्ति सप्तराज्यानां समवायः। कः सः समवायः? तत्र किं वैशिष्ट्यम् इति अद्य द्वितीये कक्षायां सप्तभगिन्यः इति पाठस्य एषा द्वितीया कक्षा अस्ति। अद्य वयम् अग्रे पाठं पठामः। यथा वयं पूर्वमेव एतं पाठं पठितवन्तः, अद्य किञ्चित् अग्रे पठामः। सर्वे छात्राः साश्चर्यं परस्परं पश्यन्तः। All boys are looking each other because they are surprised. सप्तभगिन्यः, seven sisters, they are very much surprised. Nicholas is telling, imani rajyani saptabhaginyah iti kimartham katyante. As I have asked you in the previous class, why it is called seven sisters? Why not seven brothers, seven fathers, seven mothers? Why it is called seven sisters? Saptabhaginyah iti kimartham katyante. Adhyapika prayogoyam pratikatmakaha vartate. This is prayogaha, this usage. Prayogaha means usage. Pratikatmakaha vartate. Pratikaha, it is just like a symbol, symbolic. This usage is a very symbolic usage. Kadachit samajika samskrutika paridrushyanam samyat imani uktopadhina pratithani. Sometimes the social, samajika, social style of living, samskritika, cultural way of celebration, paridrushyanam samyat, because these seven sisters, seven states are having the same social and cultural practices. Imani ukta upadhina pratitani, because of that these seven states are called seven sisters. Samiksha kautuhalam me nakalu shantim gacchati. I am unable to take out my curiosity. Kautuhalam, kutuhalasya bhavam kautuhalam, my curiosity not coming down. Shravayatu tavat yat kani tani rajyani. Please tell me, what are all those states? Do you remember? Yes. Adhyapika shrunuta. So teacher is telling, listen, today I am going to give you a formula. So you are finding very difficult to remember these seven states. Easy method is there. So only Sanskrit students will come to know this easy method. Advayam matrayam chaiva matri yuktam tatha advayam saptarajya samohoyam bhagini saptakam matam. Advayam, from a two are there. Matrayam, from ma three are there. Chaiva also, one na is there, one three is there. Yuktam tathadvayam, two a, three ma, one na and one three. These becoming seven. How to remember? What is advayam? From akarat dve rajye. Matrayam, from ma three states are there. From Na, one state is there. Three, one state is there. Saptarajya Samohoyam, the group of 7 states, Bhagini Saptakam Matam. It is famous as a Saptabhaginyah. Ittham Bhagini Saptake Imani Rajyani Santi. So, finally you will come to know in the Bhagini Saptake, Sapta Bhagini, 7 sisters, these are all the states. What are all the states? Let us see. Kete Arunachala Pradesha. A. From A, 2 states are there. One is Arunachala Pradesha, second one is Assam. Arunachala Pradesh, Assam. Then Manipuram, from Ma, 3 states are there. Manipuram, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Manipura, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Ma, Mi, Me. Manipura, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Na Triyuktam, Na, from Na, Nagaland. From Tri, Tripura Cheti. These are all the 7 states. Now you can tell very easily. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Advayam. Then Matrayam, Manipura, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Na, Nagaland, Tri, Tripura. Easily you can tell these 7 states. Yadyapi kshetra parimanaihi imani laghuni vartante. So the quantity, the by square kilometers, their quantity wise, they are very small states. Geographically, they are very small states. Tathapi guna gaurava drishtya bruhattarani pratiyante. But in the quality, they are the biggest. They are having very specialization among them. Once again, we can find it. Advayam, from A, 2 states. What are they? Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Matrayam, from Ma, 3 states are there. Manipuram, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Na Triyuktam, Na Nagaland, 3 Tripura. Tatadvayam, these 2. Saptarajya Samohoyam, the group of 7 states. Bhagini Saptakam Matam. It is famous as a 7 sisters. Imani Pratiya. Sarve Katham. How they are so different. Why these 7 sisters are very different. Katham. How it is possible. Then Imaha Saptabhaginyah Swiye Prachineetihaase Prayaha Swadhinaha Eva Drishtaha. Why so they are so great? Because Imaha Saptabhaginyah, these 7 sisters, Swiye Prachineetihase, on their own history, if you go back to the history, Prayaha Swadhinaha Eva Asan, they are all independent states. Nobody could attack on them, nobody could rule. Others, outsiders could not rule them. Na kenapi shasakena imaha swayatti krutaha. No ruler could attack on them. No ruler could rule these 7 states. Aneka samskriti vishishtayam bharata bhomau. As we know, India is the home of multicultures. Different cultures are there in India. Etasam bhagininam samskritihi mahatvadhayini asti. Even the culture of the every state is different, but the culture of these 7 states are very important. They have a very different culture. These 7 sisters are having very different cultures. Tanvi Ayam Shabdaha Sarva Prathamam Kada Prayuktaha. When this word Sapta Bhagini, 7 sisters, when this word was coined, first time who used this? Who coined this word? अध्यापिका श्रुतमधुरशब्दोऽयं सर्वप्रथमं विगतशताब्दस्य 270तमे वर्षे त्रिपुराराज्यस्य उद्घाटनक्रमे केनापि प्रवर्तितः. Such a beautiful word to listen. सर्वप्रथमं, first, विगतशताब्दस्य, in the last century, that means द्विसप्ततितमे वर्षे, on the 72 years, in 1972, त्रिपुरा राज्यस्य उद्घाटनक्रमे, when Tripura state is formed, during that time this word was coined. अस्मिन्नेव काले एतेषां राज्यानां पुनः संघटनं विहितम्. At the same time, in 72, all these states were reshaped. Then स्वरा अन्यत् किमपि वैशिष्ट्यमस्ति एतेषाम्. Is there anything special about these states? Then he tells what are all the important, what are the specialities of these states. We will see today. We will see the grammar points once again in this lesson. अत्र साश्चर्यं, साश्चर्यं संधिः अस्ति. स अधिकम् आश्चर्यं, साश्चर्यं सवर्ण दीर्घ संधिः अस्ति. किमर्थं? प्रयोगोऽयं, प्रयोगोऽयं, प्रयोगः अधिकम् अयं प्रयोगोऽयं पूर्वरूप संधिः. उक्तोपाधिना, very important, उक्तोपाधिना, उक्त अधिकम् उपाधिना उक्तोपाधिना गुणसंधिः. सूर्याधिकम् उदयः सूर्योदयः, पराधिकम् उपकारः परोपकारः, उक्ताधिकम् उपाधिना उक्तोपाधिना. चैव, च अधिकम् एव चैव वृद्धि संधिः. समूहोऽयं, समूहः अधिकम् अयं समूहोऽयम्. अरुणाचल प्रदेशः, अरुण अधिकम् अचल प्रदेशः, अरुणाचल प्रदेशः सवर्ण दीर्घ संधिः. मिजो मेघालयः, मेघ अधिकम् आलयः, मेघालयः सवर्ण दीर्घ संधिः. चेति, च अधिकम् इति चेति. यद्यपि, यदि अधिकम् अपि, यद्यपि यण् संधिः. तथापि, तथा अधिकम् अपि, तथापि सवर्ण दीर्घ संधिः भवति. प्राचीनेतिहासे, प्राचीन अधिकम् इतिहासे, प्राचीनेतिहासे. अत्रापि गुणसंधिः अस्ति. स्वाधीनाः, स्व अधिकम् अधीनाः, स्वाधीनाः सवर्ण दीर्घ संधिः. केनापि, केन अधिकम् अपि, केनापि अत्रापि सवर्ण दीर्घ संधिः. शब्दोऽयं, शब्दः अधिकम् अयं शब्दोऽयं. राज्यस्योद्घाटनक्रमे, राज्यस्य अधिकम् उद्घाटनक्रमे, राज्यस्योद्घाटनक्रमे गुणसंधिः. केनापि, केन अधिकम् अपि, केनापि सवर्ण दीर्घ संधिः. वैशिष्ट्यमस्ति, अत्र संयोगः, वैशिष्ट्यम् अधिकम् अस्ति, वैशिष्ट्यमस्ति इति. एतत् सर्वे भवन्तः श्रद्धया लिखन्तु. अग्रिमकक्षायाम् अन्यत् किमपि वैशिष्ट्यं वयं दृष्ट्वा पठामः. सप्तभगिन्यः काः, कानि तानि राज्यानि अत्र सप्तराज्यानां समूहः अस्ति। कानि राज्यानि सप्तसमूहे अस्ति? अत्र अद्वयं मत्रयं चैव न त्रियुक्तं तथा द्वयम् इति सप्तराज्यानां तत्र सुलभतया ज्ञातुं भवद्भिः अधीतम्। अग्रिमकक्षायाम् अग्रिमभागं पठिष्यामः। भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनं। धन्यवादः।